Welcome back to the Cat Lab. Do you like my logo? I've been working on it this week. So anyways, I wanted to just say, so today's episode is going to be a little bit different from other episodes. Instead of doing an experiment today, we're going to be doing a demonstration on something near and dear to my heart, and that should be near and dear to yours: cross-contamination. So because of the recent outbreak of something called COVID-19, there have been a lot of people who have gone to great lengths to protect themselves, but maybe going about it the wrong way. So I saw this video on Instagram a couple of days ago that went viral. It was on Good Morning America about a nurse named Molly Lixie who did a little demonstration about cross-contamination with gloves and how it could be doing more harm than good in some cases if you're not using it right. So go check it out. It was an awesome video. So anyways, that is our topic for the day, cross-contamination. Let's go over now to one of our experts so we can do a little true and false about it first. Okay? Let's go. And I'd like to welcome a special guest, Rebecca. So Rebecca is my expert today on cross-contamination. So I've been trying to get Rebecca to be on my show for a little while, so this is a real treat. Rebecca, how would you like to introduce yourself?
I'm no way an expert, but I really care about Catherine, so here I am.
I could cry. So Rebecca, do you have any idea why I chose you to be on this specific episode?
No.
No? Okay. Well, it's basically because I know that you like germs and bacteria, and this interests you. So I figured that you would be the perfect person to ask my true and false questions about cross-contamination. Okay, statement number 1. All germs are bad. True or false?
False. Well, I know that not all bacteria are bad, and some are really beneficial to your body.
Exactly. Very good. Correct. Statement number 2. Wearing gloves is safer than not wearing gloves. True or false?
True.
Rebecca, that statement is actually false. But thank you for your answer. Do you know why it would be false?
Because gloves can't protect you from everything.
Very good. And if you are incorrectly using the gloves, then that totally negates any good parts of using the gloves. We'll talk about that later. My pet peeve. Statement number 3. If you are wearing a mask, you don't have to worry about social distancing. True or false? Very good. Why?
Because a mask can't protect you from everything, and if you get the germs on your face or areas that aren't covered, you're still not safe from it.
My genius girl, thank you. Okay, Rebecca, statement number 4. Hand hygiene is the best way to protect yourself from illness. True or false?
It's true, but the best way is to not be an idiot.
I can get behind that. Okay. Moving on from that. Statement 5. I can reuse the same gloves throughout the day and I will be as safe as I was at the beginning of the day.
False. Your gloves get dirty.
Thank you. And the last one, statement 6. I should still wash my hands after using gloves. True or false?
True.
Very good. Thank you. Excellent, Rebecca. I'd like to thank you very much for your answers to my statements and for what you've been able to teach us about cross-contamination and hand hygiene and social distancing and hand hygiene.
Nobody should be extremely worried. They should stay safe and continue social distancing, but also maintain a good routine and calm down a little bit and just, be smart and stay at home.
Has that been helping you, Rebecca?
Yeah, I guess.
Alrighty, Rebecca. Well, thank you very much for joining us today. It was nice to see you. And let's head back to Cat Labs now. And welcome back. Hope you guys enjoyed that interview. I sure did. Thank you again, Rebecca, for your help. For our demonstration today, let's see what cross-contamination on a mask actually looks like when handled improperly. So today I have cocoa powder that's going to represent the germs that the mask collects on the front of it, just from being in the air, whatever goes into your mouth. Water to make it adhere, and a questionable turmeric face mask to represent germs that we come into contact with touching. So, disclaimer, don't actually get your masks wet because then they'll be less effective. We're just doing this for the demonstration. So we're gonna wet the mask, make sure that the water is all on it. So, say you're about to put this on and you're doing it wrong. So by wrong, I mean that you're not performing hand hygiene first and you touch it wrong. With your dirty fingers, you go and you grab your mask. Okay, so you got it, and you're about to put it on. So you go, you stick it to your face like that. So you put your face mask on, touched it, you did however you wanted to do it, and then you go about your life. So we're going to cover this in the cocoa powder now. Okay, so outside it's dirty. So you throw on your mask and you're just going about your daily life. And then you're like, oh, this is so uncomfortable. No, to protect that face. So bring it down. Let me just feel like, and you're shopping, you're touching this, you're touching that, so you continue going on. And these are just things that you finish going about your day. Honestly, just observe. And you decide that you're ready to take your face mask off. So, you just grab it from wherever. And then you look and you see how many germs are inside. And it's a lot. You think this is interesting, Julia? Moral of the story. Wearing your mask properly matters. Because if you don't, it'll look like this. But scarier, you're not going to see this. And so it's just going to be a bunch of invisible germs on the inside of your mask going into your lungs. All you have to do is be smart about how you're using your masks and doing hand hygiene. Because hand hygiene, like we talked about before, is going to be like your best friend. So none of us are going to be perfect, but we can do better than this. So thank you guys for watching. Sorry, there was a change of location. That was a long story. You'll find out in a couple of days. So long story short, I'm actually going to be releasing a part 2 of this video in a couple of days. So thank you for bearing with me. And yeah, look out for that. So you all stay safe and healthy. And yeah, have a good one. Okay, bye guys.